Big hand for chubbz. Hello, everybody. First, I want to say congratulations to all the graduates. And it's already got no music, so I'm going to do a little song on one of my solo albums, acapella. I'm kind of nervous. I'm on the spot. Girl, you're so fine. Girl, you're so sweet. When I'm with you, yes, my heart skips a beat. No wasting no time. You blow my mind because you're my love. Girl, you're so fine. Girl, you're so sweet. When I'm with you, yes, my heart skips a beat. No wasting no time. You blow my mind because you're my love. Hey, love, yes, how are you doing tonight? I'm wondering if you're feeling a vibe. When I'm with you, I want to squeeze you so tight. Yes, that's right, yeah. I know there's times when I'm all alone. I stay awake and I wait by my phone to hear your voice say, baby, I'm home and good night. I love you, thank you.